What's up, guys? Let's do another unboxing and review. Now this one is on the Craftsman. Where's model number? Of course they hid it somewhere. Oh, it's right there. Okay. Now this one's going to be on the Craftsman, let's see, CMCST910N1 string trimmer. This thing is kind of a step up from the last one that we looked at. This one has a push button line feed. I like the adjustments on it. They seem quite a bit better. It comes with a charger and a 4-amp battery. We'll look at the specifications here. I paid $139 for this thing, which if you guys use these V20 products, you know that that's like $39 more expensive than just the battery alone, the 4-amp battery that it comes with. So let's see. Specifications. Voltage, 20 volt max, we know that. No load RPM, 5,500 to 7,200. Oh, that's because it's got the high and low. Feed speed, push button for line advancement. I don't know what that is in a different language or something. Cutting a swath size, that is 13 inch. Replacement spool is a CMCST910N1. So let's get this thing opened. Actually, I think I'm working with very little room here, as you guys know. I'm always working with very little room here. Do I ever have enough room? Do any of us ever have enough room? So the videos on this channel have been rather... Woo! Apparently that charger weighs enough. They've been rather slow coming out. I've recorded a bunch of them, but I just haven't edited, haven't posted, and I don't know when this one's going to be edited and posted. Primarily because my video drive that I keep all these videos on my computer has gone bad. Oh, there's the handle. What else we got in here? I can't see anything. I'm blind. You guys should not ever get old, because with oldness comes blindness. Okay, this is gonna be... Okay, we gotta take the whole thing out. There we go. And of course the battery, good Lord, is at the very bottom of the box. Are you serious? Is it even coming? No, it's not. They've got it taped in there. Okay, let's move some stuff out of our way. Why do you have it at the bottom, Craftsman? So, anyway, back to what I was saying. I've got the new hard drive. I just got to put it in. And fortunately, everything was saved. So, I didn't lose anything, because computers these days apparently have a feature that warns you when your hard drive is about to fail, and mine warned me. So I looked at what was going on, confirmed it was right, it was about to fail. It had multiple errors. There's your 4-amp battery. We'll get this plugged in right quick. We had multiple errors, so I purchased, and it's a 1 terabyte spinning disk. I purchased a 1 terabyte SSD, a Samsung one, which maybe we'll do something on this channel installing that. I'm actually doing that right after this video. It's going to be very hard. We'll save the instructions for later. It's going to be very hard to do anything with this today, because I don't really have many weeds growing. It's actually pretty nice. Okay, so we're going to have to dismantle this to get that on there. And we need a screwdriver for that too anyway. So let me grab that. We're also going to be talking about this Pony portable work area that I'm working on here. I wanted to buy a portable workbench, and actually the one I went to buy was out of stock. So I ended up buying this one, and yeah, we'll talk about it. there so we can get this in there good. There we go, she snapped in place. So that snaps in, and then it has a little screw, if you guys can see, right there. I use on my phone, I use the GoPro app, and maybe I need to look at the settings, but I'm a little disappointed with it because it used to, can you guys even hear me? I'm covering my mic. It used to, the screw goes in a little crooked, but there's nothing you could do about that. It's snapped fully in place. You used to be able to look at the screen on the phone and see what you guys are seeing right now, but I can't do that anymore. It just says, preview not available while recording. I don't know why that changed. That wasn't always like that. You used to be able to just say, how's it look? Look right at the phone? Okay, cool. Wow, that thing was kind of tough to get in there. All right, now the handle. Now I haven't read any of the instructions on this, but just using common sense. Common sense gets you a long way in this world. Hey, Merry Christmas. If I haven't told you already, Merry Christmas. It is currently Friday, the Friday before Christmas, Friday, December 23rd. And it's a good day. It's not a good day. It's a great day. I went and did a job this morning. I could not complete the job because I had to shut the water off to the property that I was working on, and that's not something you just do, you know. You know what I'm saying? It's you call the local water agency and they come out and shut the water off for you, and then like the guy did last time, hung around, sat in his truck, probably watching YouTube while I did what I had to do, and then when I was done, I motioned to him and he turned the water back on. And kind of hung around while I checked for leaks and everything. Well, apparently they have a better union than me because they're taking a 4-day weekend. I'm not getting a 4-day weekend, that sucks. I'm barely getting a 2-day weekend. So this guy has to be able to, it clamps down like that. There we go. You can slide it, see that? It's pretty tough. Let me tighten this one a little more, loosen that. Oh, these are, wow. Maybe tighten this one a little more. There we go. Does it still slide? I don't like how loose those are. Okay, maybe this one then. Tighten those guys down and loosen that one. Let's try that because I don't like how loose those are. That one I can see why it would be loose. No? Wow. Okay. There we go. That's what I like about it. And this side too, you open that up and it telescopes out. Well, that kind of has a good, has a good feel to it. All right, so let's pull it in. It has the same little edge guard that the other one has. This one should be significantly more powerful though. Let's real quick throw this battery in there and we'll take a look at its operation. It's on low right now. There we go. Set it on high. Interesting. Now we remove the battery because we're going to be playing with the business side of it. So I don't know how the line feed works, but it works. You heard how it kind of cut out there a little bit. That was it feeding line. So interesting. So this guy, for your edging, it's got a little button on the front here. Oh, you see that? That's convenient. So, oh, and it also, the VersaTrack, I don't know why they make these things so hard. It's compatible with the VersaTrack system, so it could hang on my VersaTrack right there. So why did I buy this? I bought this mostly because I've already bought the one, which is really only suitable for like residential yards. This thing seems to be suitable for a little bit more than that, and that's what we're gonna put it to the test to. Like I said, I'm gonna have to walk around my property and see if I have any tall enough weeds to even consider cutting. But it might take a few months to finish this video out. But anyway, guys, like I said, I hope you have a Merry Christmas. If it takes a few months to finish this video out, what I just said is going to make 0 sense to you. But anyway, the next video you see, we're going to be out using this thing. All right. I don't have a ton of them, but have some. Well, I do have a ton of them, but they're all little. Well, as expected, it's got more power. All right, well, my thoughts. First of all, I like the extra power that it has. It's not balanced well though. It's really front heavy. I suppose I could telescope it in and that would help with that, but that feels comfortable. That length to me feels comfortable. So it's going to take some more use in a work setting to really know, but it's got significantly more power. So sweet. We will obviously do a update on it once it gets many hours of use on it, but so far I'm pleased with the purchase.